I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to set up your payout method on the eBay app, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the eBay app. Launch the eBay app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the upper right corner, then select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can manage all your account-related settings. Step 3. Select Payout Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, find and tap on Payout Preferences. This section allows you to manage how you receive your payments. Step 4. Add or edit payout method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the xrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your payout information, review it for accuracy and then hit save. Make sure to double check your bank account number or email address to avoid any issues. If you encounter any issues, remember that sometimes the app may not save changes if there is a poor internet connection. Good luck with your sales on eBay.